Good morning, guys. This is Mrs. Andrea, and today we're going to learn how to measure time. And we measure time with clocks. Today we're going to use the first type of clock that we're going to be learning about, and it's called the analog clock. We're going to be talking about time to the hour. Okay, this is the analog clock. If you can see, in the analog clock, we can see the numbers and we have some hands. These hands are the ones that are going to be telling us what time it is. So the long hand tells the minutes and the short hand tells the hour. It is important for us to know that in 1 hour we have 60 minutes. And when the long hand is pointing to the 12, that means that that hour is starting. Okay, that one just ended and that the other one is about to start. So here I have the short hand that is pointing to the 5, right? So, and the long hand is pointing to the 12. So if I was going to read this time, I always going to start reading with the hour hand. So it's going to say 5 o'clock. Okay? Now let's go to the next page. So here we're going to read. There are two kinds of clocks. This is the analog clock. The hour hand is shorter and it points to the hour, and the minute hand is longer. It points to the minute. Here we can clearly see that the red hand is shorter than the blue hand, and the red hand, since it's shorter, is telling us the hour. So it's 3 o'clock. Here it is, 3 o'clock. The hour hand is on 3. It is 3 o'clock. Now let's continue. It says, use the clock to show the time. Tell what time it is shown. Write the time. I see the hour hand pointing at 9 and the minute hand pointing at 12. So it's 9 o'clock. Let's go ahead and write it down. 9. Number 2, hour hand is in 2 and minute hand is on 12. So it's 2 o'clock. 3, 11 o'clock. And 4, it's 6 o'clock. So let's see. Where are the hour hand and the minute hand when it's 4 o'clock? So since it's 4 o'clock, the hour hand is pointing at 4 and the minute hand is pointing at 12. Good job. Let's continue. This page is for you to do on your own. You're going to do exercises 13, 14, and 15. Then you're going to complete your homework. And when you're done, you let me know, okay? You're going to take a picture and you're going to post it. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.